Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. If you've always wanted to learn to read and write with confidence, you are in the right place. This channel was created for adult learners who want to build real literacy skills step by step from grade 1 through grade 3 level. Here's how to begin your learning journey. First, start with grade 1, reading foundations. You'll learn the alphabet, letter sounds, short vowels, and you'll learn how to read your first words and stories. Then move on to grade 2, reading and writing skills. You'll practice blends, longer words, sentence reading, and everyday writing. Finally, explore grade 3, confident reading and writing. You'll write short stories, personal paragraphs, and you'll learn to express your own ideas clearly. Each playlist builds on the one before it so that you can learn in order and learn at your own pace. All lessons include step-by-step instruction, clear example, and teacher guidance, just like being in class. So, subscribe now and start your journey today. Your path to confident reading and writing begins right here at Homeschool for American Adults. You can do this.